guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kristen, and today I am going to be sharing a relaxing evening clean with me. It was actually a rainy and gloomy evening here, so I took this opportunity to go ahead and get the entire house clean, and I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the music. I won't hop on too much, but I'm going to start in the kitchen by gathering any trash and putting any food away, and then taking care of the dishes.
But I've still got a lot to give, so I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come and say by chance, don't you want a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart. You're a born survivor, and you'll never find yourself in love. You're wise enough. I got troubles, I got sins, I'm my worst enemy, but I still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come and say by chance, don't you want a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come and say by chance, don't you want a man who fully understands, who fully understands. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come and say by chance, don't you want a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart.
When you came over, my heart was on its way out. I wasn't sober, and I was thinking out loud. I spoke of your bravery, your wit and audacity, of coming over and letting go of it all. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently. You lay beside me, you held my hand in the dark. I started fighting, 'cause I was scared of it all. And isn't it glorious how love gets the best of us? Yeah, I got feelings, but I'm a tough one sometimes. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently. Please move
Moving on into the bedroom and the bathroom, I just had some clothes that I needed to put away, and I was also going to just tidy up the bathroom and gather any laundry and just wipe everything down.
I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon. This year I'm going to start a new chapter. Ignore the tears and only write down the laughter and open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon. I glide across the ground and over the ocean, and you can't force me down as long as I'm open.
The living room was not too bad today. I just needed to do a quick little tidy up in here, put a few things away, and vacuum the couches.
And anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon. Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night. Breaking up, making a mess of an all good life. And now that you're gone,
Now that everything is cleaned and put away, I'm just going to move on to vacuuming the floors throughout the house.
I've waited so long for this to be over, and now that I'm free from all the chains you've kept me in, I'll be okay. Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again, I'll be okay. Moving on, seeing it all in a whole new light. Thinking of reasons
guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you found some motivation to clean your home as well. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. It would mean so much to me. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you stick around, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Though I felt misunderstood,